Hello friend, welcome to my channel A to Z Techs HD. Yesterday I posted a video about launcher Huawei Mate 10 Lite. So it was in Urdu. I thought I also post it on English language. First, go to Play Store and we will search for a launcher like Nova launcher. Install it. I bring this video because you people will think that it's okay, it's a launcher, so any person can change it. But in special case, Huawei, it is a special case. It is not set as a default launcher. Whenever you apply a launcher, it stucks and it show your old launcher back. Like here, I will click on Nova launcher, and as I click on home button, it will come back to its old launcher. So this is the problem. That's the reason I'm making this video. So the procedure is click on Nova launcher. Sorry. Yeah, Nova launcher and go to Nova setting. As you can see, it is said that not set as default. So click on that and you see its launcher. Click on Nova launcher and then change. The moment you click on change, it become your default launcher. Whether you will now restart your Android or you press home screen, you will always be in Nova launcher screen. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel, and if you people want to know anything related to techs, you people can comments and I will make a video on that topic. Thank you so much.